Hey, what's up, guys? I'm at work right now. Just decided to make a quick video because we got some free time. So, just bringing you up to speed on the Amazon products, the topsy-turvy. So, recently, I just sold one today. I've dropped the price down from $16.99 to $9.99. There's been a lot of pricing wars going on right now, so that's been very fun. Granted, I can actually afford to go pretty much very low because, like I did explain when I first purchased them, they were literally only 75 cents a piece. So, I can afford to take those, type of risk. Also, just before my products even got into Amazon, I want to say it took, roughly about 2.5 weeks for it to, excuse me, yeah, 2.5 weeks for it to actually get to Amazon, and then I want to say about maybe like 1 week later, everything was fully, processed. The FC transfer was just about almost complete. There's still some in transfer right now. As soon as they hit and they put everything on the shelves, I was able to, ooh, can you see on my nose? No. I was able to sell two, so that was pretty neat. I was able to sell those two right off the bat. Also, there's been a couple of complications. So a couple of things that I learned is when you are dropping prices or you are matching the buy box price. And if you don't know what the buy box price is, or the buy box in general, it is the person who pretty much anytime like somebody looks up looks up a product or anything, the buy box is the one who's technically recommended. And people fight for that because that's how your product will be. If somebody clicks on it, then your product will actually go first versus anybody else's. But yeah, there's actually quite a couple of sellers with this topsy-turvy stuff. I actually didn't think that it would be that many sellers, but yeah, there's quite a few. It's still very competitive. There are a lot of individuals that's doing like packages of 2 versus packages of 3. I've even seen packages of 6. But yeah, I'm just doing the single package right now. When I was looking for the variations and trying to add them, I had a couple of complications when it came to the ASIN number. So, just like I said, just trial and error, still playing around and understanding everything through the university, Sellers University, and just, learning different things from other individuals, and then, like I said, a lot of trial and error. But yeah, I'm still fairly happy with just the returns that I have had, and with just the 3 products that I did sell. Within selling the first within selling the first 2, I made my profit back from actually purchasing all 32 of them. Right now, I want to say about 57, I believe, in profit altogether. So that's not bad. Like I said, it's still, from I spent 14 and 18, so let's say from that from that loss to make 57 back isn't bad at all. And then I still have about 29 more to go, so that's pretty cool. Right now I listed them for sale, so they are $11.99, dropped down to $9.99. So, and then that's how I actually made another sale today, this morning, before we left the shop to come on out. But yeah, guys, just wanted to keep you updated. I don't know what my next product is going to be. Granted, with this paycheck, I actually might just look into private labeling. We'll see how that works. You know, there is a lot of tariffs going on right now with the U.S. and China, so hopefully it really doesn't affect. I know it will, but right now it won't affect Amazon too much. And so I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess the niche that I have is more so like wilderness, outdoor, survival type. So I've sold, you know, the stainless steel tumbler mugs, which could be used for camping purposes as well as just regular everyday life, you know, office purposes as well. And then the topsy-turvy, which is used for gardening, you know, growing your own plants and fruits, vegetables, and, you know, whatever else you decide to grow with it. No, don't do drugs, kids, that's bad. But anyways, yeah, I think the next product will be, you know, probably, honestly, I really don't know. You know, I just normally will go to Walmart, Family Dollar, Target, Ross, and do some sourcing there. I just moved to a new state, so I haven't really been doing too much sourcing. I've kind of been just, you know, getting settled in to the house and settled into, you know, just living and starting a new job as well. So that's that, guys. Just wanted to keep you updated with how everything is going. I will keep you posted if anything changes or if I learn something new or if I fail at something as well, you know, because I feel like understanding other people's failures and seeing which path that they took, that'll help you to, you know, sometimes avoid that. Sometimes, you know, you might be stubborn and hard-headed and go down that same path because, you know, how it worked out for one person might not always work out the same for you. You know, one person might have failed where you might have had success. But that's my little update for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.